Friends, I'd like to share with you the happiest of surprise culinary incidents happened last night. We were to have tacos. It was Tuesday after all. Had one of those little kits where you have the different things and you're all set to go in no time at all. But suddenly the discovery was made, the protein that should have been with the ingredients was missing. And that's when my wife said, I guess I could just throw on some goetta and we could have goetta tacos. And that's what we did. And it was glorious. I don't know if you've ever had a goetta taco before, but I highly recommend it. If you are not from the Cincinnati area and know not what goetta is, I would say goetta on that immediately. Life-changing and tasty good. Happy hump day, my friends.